One of the major reasons some couples have challenges with pregnancy is the lack of ovulation, a condition that many may not notice. For such a couple, cloves could be a great addition to their diet to boost ovulation and increase chances of conception. Cloves are a powerful and ancient remedy that have been cherished for their medicinal properties. From observation, we have found that some women who are finding it hard to conceive have underlying hormonal balance issues. For such a person, cloves could provide an easy way out. When it comes to promoting ovulation, cloves are believed to help regulate menstrual cycles and balance hormones, which can be crucial for those trying to conceive. Before we talk about how to use cloves to boost ovulation, there are interesting things we found from some studies that couples facing challenges with conception could benefit from. Indeed, there are a series of animal studies that are quite interesting and promising, with eugenol in cloves playing a vital role. According to a study, clove extract could improve reproductive hormonal changes induced by morphine in rats. They observed a considerable increase in follicle stimulating hormone levels, FSH, following treatment with clove extract. Also, eugenol could enhance the serum level of progesterone in female albino rats. This same eugenol has beneficial effects on reproductive hormones and can improve hormonal changes in PCOS rats. Now, here is how to use cloves for ovulation. You can make cloves as a tea and drink it. To make this simple yet potent clove tea, take 5 to 7 dried cloves and crush them lightly to release their essential oils. Boil a cup of water, and once it's bubbling, add the crushed cloves. Let it steep for 10 minutes, allowing the water to absorb the essence of the cloves. Strain the tea and drink it warm. If you are meticulous, you will know that there is a time for everything. This is also true when it comes to when to drink this cloves tea. For best results, begin drinking clove tea a week before ovulation. You can drink it once or twice daily during your fertile window. The second way you can use cloves to boost ovulation is to prepare cloves water and use it appropriately. To make clove water, soak 5 to 6 cloves in a cup of water overnight. In the morning, strain the water and drink it on an empty stomach. This simple routine can help balance hormones and stimulate ovulation. Also, there is a time to use cloves water for best results. Start this routine during the follicular phase of your cycle, that is the first half of your menstrual cycle after your period ends but before ovulation. Continue until ovulation is confirmed. Meanwhile, before we let you into another secret about cloves and how they boost ovulation, go ahead to subscribe to this channel. Turn on post notification to be the first to know when a new video is uploaded. Like and share this video, and don't forget to let us know in the comment section if you have used cloves before for your hormones. So, another way to use cloves to boost ovulation is to massage a certain part of your body with cloves oil. I guess you like this part and you are eager to learn more. Clove oil has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties which can support reproductive health. To use this effectively, mix a few drops of clove oil with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. Massage the oil gently on your lower abdomen, focusing on the ovarian area. This can improve circulation to your reproductive organs and potentially boost ovulation. Now, let's talk about when to apply this massage. Perform the massage during your fertile window around the time when you expect to ovulate. Well, if you are asking or wondering why cloves, here is something you should know. Cloves are believed to contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can support overall reproductive health. By promoting blood flow and balancing hormones, Cloves may help create a more favorable environment for ovulation to occur. Now, there is something else you need to bear in mind each time you want to try cloves for ovulation boosting. One is that while clove remedies are natural, it is important to listen to your body. Everyone's cycle is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Also, you need to be patient with yourself and consider consulting a healthcare provider to make sure you are on the right track in your journey toward conception. Taking time for yourself and honoring your body with simple, nurturing rituals like drinking clove tea or massaging clove oil into your belly can bring a sense of peace and connection during this tender time. Your body is capable, and with care and patience, it can do extraordinary things. If you want to know more about cloves, you may watch this video on the screen to see how to use cloves to treat vaginal infection. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and if you have not subscribed, it would be a great thing to consider subscribing and turning on your notification for our posts. A special thank you to our amazing subscribers who share our videos with their loved ones. Remember, eat healthy, live healthy, and stay sickness free. Bye, and see you in the next one.